Hey everyone, and welcome back. Data lakes are essential for managing massive amounts of data today. But what happens when you need to switch to a new, more modern table format, like Apache Iceberg, especially when your data lake is live, complex, and running 24/7? That's a huge challenge. Natural Intelligence, a leading company in online marketplaces, faced this exact problem. They had a mature data lake built on Apache Hive, processing data through different layers, raw, cleaned, and analytics-ready data used by hundreds of pipelines and dashboards constantly. Their challenge? While their Hive setup worked, it was tightly coupled to specific query engines, making it hard to adopt new tools or cloud data warehouses without complex workarounds or duplicating data. They needed a truly open data platform that could support multiple engines simultaneously with a single view of their data. Apache Iceberg was the perfect fit for their goal. It's an open table format offering powerful features like ACID transactions, schema evolution, and time travel. But strategically, its key benefit for NI was decoupling storage from compute and enabling seamless support for multiple query engines simultaneously, avoiding vendor lock-in. The problem was migrating their live, mission-critical data lake, thousands of tables, hundreds of pipelines, 400-plus dashboards, all running nonstop. They couldn't have downtime, users needed a smooth transition, and they had to support legacy systems that weren't ready for Iceberg immediately. Traditional Iceberg migration methods didn't fully work. In place, migration is simple and cost-effective but requires unacceptable downtime. Rewrite-based migration allows zero downtime and gradual adoption but is resource-intensive, costly, and complex to manage during the transition. So, Natural Intelligence developed an innovative hybrid migration strategy. The core idea was to build processes that would synchronize data between their existing Hive tables and the new Iceberg tables continuously throughout the migration period. They implemented key elements like a Hive to Iceberg CDC pipeline, change data capture, using AWS services like Glue Events, EventBridge, Lambda, Kafka, and Spark EMR to automatically copy partition updates from Hive to Iceberg in near real time. This kept both tables in sync. A reverse CDC from Iceberg back to Hive so teams could start writing new ETL jobs directly to Iceberg while downstream systems still relying on Hive wouldn't break. Automated schema synchronization to handle schema changes occurring in Hive and replicate them to Iceberg, reducing manual work. Using Snowflake aliases to map original Hive table names to the new Iceberg tables in the Glue catalog, making the switch transparent for analysts and BI tools. A careful table replacement process at the very end to finalize the switch while keeping original table names clean. This hybrid approach, powered by event-driven pipelines, allowed them to maintain synchronization and compatibility throughout the migration. The outcome was a huge success. Zero downtime for their 24/7 operations. A cost-optimized process minimizing redundant compute and storage. The successful establishment of a modern, vendor-neutral data platform ready for future growth and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.